because Kashmir is basically, it's a legal issue. International humanitarian law and human rights law, that's where it falls in. And we have very few experts on that. So I would suggest the lawyer sitting on the right side that please kindly, Kashmir needs, desperately needs experts on ICJ and ICC front, international humanitarian law. That's where, because basically it's a legal case. We don't have Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah right now, so we're looking for another Jinnah. Maybe one of you could become the best advocates for us. Secondly, even if you're not a lawyer, not everybody wants to be a lawyer. If you're an artist, you want to be an actor, you want to be a singer, whatever, engineer, professor, one thing you can all do is that start online petitions, because you have a very young, Mr. Faisal is very young CEO of Fruits, and I'm sure he gives a lot of energy to all of you, and it's contagious, the energy levels. So if you could please kindly start an online petition from all your students, sending emails to the UN Secretary General and to the Human Rights Commissioner. Just 2-liners, girls and boys, just 2-liners. You can save 1 million lives. Don't think that the UN doesn't listen. Trust me, they do. The way India works, there are lakhs and lakhs of students from India that do this on a daily basis. They send lies to the United Nations against...
these boys and girls in black.
Yes.
Please stand up, boys and girls in black, and tell Ms. Mashal Hassan Malik that you will do what she's asking you to do. That's what they do.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Because we desperately need expert international human rights lawyers right now even. The government even needs them. And secondly, these emails, if you cross 5,000 emails, and I'm sure you have that much strength in your students, then definitely the UN would take notice. Masood Khan Saab is an expert in the UN mechanism. He could tell better on that. I would like to just conclude with this short poem. Because I do poetry also, I'm an artist, but whatever talent I had in my life, I'm trying to use that for our cause, for the Kashmiri cause. I do paintings on pellet victims, on half widows, half mothers, and I'm sure we have a lot of artists sitting here. So I would want the intellectuals, the writers within you, or the artists to contribute through your talents for the Kashmir cause, because trust me, it makes a huge difference. And you must follow the peaceful political path of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and we must start a Kashmir movement from within Pakistan to liberate the Kashmiris in a peaceful manner, following the international norms and treaties. And lastly, my short poem, Voyage of the Heart. The lamp that lits you, who knows when it will suddenly decease. The voyage of life, stoning alone may now suppress no more the wild unrest. Life is walking on cut glass till the Shamadan flickers no more. Yet the doorways to death cells, asylums, prisons, curfews cannot subdue my manic state. Mocks, wails, laments, teases, illusions, they say. Ask them, have they seen the sightless sea? At the glance of sun, a storm begins to grow. Who can but bury the sky under their eyes? Principles of liberty are left for the soulless. These cages lock the human flesh. Let the human soul sing and caress. The flag, a mere cloth, has marked our hearts. Who to call, Majnu, Majnu, and nothing else. Mock her, steal her honor, stone her. It is beauty and the empire of beauty from where poetry dwells. Let the water of Dal seep you in, like God's beauty, falling upon beauty. And now the last verses are very emotional, very touchy. They are dedicated to all the martyrs of our freedom struggle throughout these decades. Listen carefully, please. These roses, these blossoms, these roses, these blossoms are also the blood of the martyrs. We may live or not, Mashal. They will always blossom but never possible. Thank you so much. And 2 words in Urdu. Thank you so much. Just 2 words in Urdu. میں بہت شکر گزار ہوں پاکستان کے میڈیا کا اور جو بھی یہاں میڈیا کے لوگ آئے ہوئے ہیں کہ آپ لوگوں نے ہمیشہ میرا ساتھ دیا ہے پچھلے 5-6 سالوں سے جب سے میں ایکٹیو ہوئی ہوں. اور میں آج مبارکباد دینا چاہتی ہوں فیصل صاحب کو, کرنل مشتاق صاحب کو اور ان کی پوری ٹیم اور فیکلٹی کو کہ انہوں نے اتنا منظم, اتنا ویل آرگنائزڈ اور ویل ریپرزینٹیڈ انہوں نے یہاں پہ ایک اتنا بڑا کنونشن سینٹر میں ایونٹ رکھا ہے کشمیریوں کی سالیڈیرٹی کے لیے. اور انہوں نے ٹویٹر موومنٹ بھی چلائی ہوئی ہے, فری کشمیر اینڈ آئی ایم کشمیر. تو میں چاہتی ہوں کہ ہر جو اسٹوڈنٹ یہاں پہ بیٹھا ہوا ہے یہ آپ مت سمجھیں کوئی کچھ کہہ رہے نا کہ یو وانٹ پریزنس, جس طرح آپ کے فیصل صاحب از ٹو سویٹ, ہمارے ایسے پرنسپلز ہوتے نہیں تھے. یو گائز آر لکی, بٹ ٹرسٹ می, چاہے آپ کو پریزیڈنٹ صاحب بھی کہیں کہ کھانے پر آپ نے آنا ہے گشتابہ کے لیے, میرا پوائنٹ آف ویو تھوڑا سا فرق ہے. آپ تھوڑا مائنڈ بھی اگر کر لیں, مجھے کہنے دیں, آج مجھے اجازت دیں. آپ لوگوں کو اپنی مٹی سے پیار ہے نا, ہے؟ آپ کو پتہ ہے کتنی مصیبتوں سے پاکستان موومنٹ میں قائد اعظم نے کتنی قربانیاں دیں, 8 لاکھ سے زیادہ لوگ شہید ہوئے, ایک نسلیں قربان ہوئیں.